If someone inside Google, Deloitte, or PwC puts in a word for you, your resume skips the line. But what if you don't have any referrals? If you don't have any existing connections at your dream company, that's okay. Don't start by asking for referral directly. I have worked with candidates who had zero referrals and still landed offers at Google, PwC, Deloitte. Your skills section should not be generic. Most importantly, add metrics to show impact. This is your chance to hook the recruiter and make them want to read further. Let's face it, referrals matter. If someone inside Google, Deloitte, or PwC puts in a word for you, your resume skips the line. But what if you don't have any referrals? Will you not get a chance to work in a top company? Hi, I'm Diksha Arora, your interview coach, and today I'm giving you a step-by-step plan to land your dream job at top companies like Google, Deloitte, or PwC, even if you don't have any referrals or connections. Stick around till the end because I will share a proven LinkedIn strategy and a free resume template that helped my candidates get interview calls from top companies without any insider help. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you like my content. Now, without any further delay, let's get straight into the lesson. Let's talk about referrals first. Let me be 100% honest. Yes, referrals give you an edge. A referred resume is more likely to be seen by a recruiter. Sometimes it is the fastest way into the interview room. But here's the good news. Referrals are helpful, but they are not the only way in. Many candidates, including freshers and career changers, have landed roles at big fours and tech giants without knowing anyone on the inside. If you don't have any connection, you will just need to be more strategic. And I'm going to show you exactly how. Just focus on the tips that I will be sharing in this video. Tip number 1. Build a resume that gets seen. Use an ATS-friendly format. No fancy designs or complicated fonts. Match your resume to the job description using tools like JobScan. Here is the ATS-friendly resume template that got many of my candidates into top companies like Google, PwC, Microsoft, EY, and many more. The topmost section is your target role. Start by clearly mentioning your target role under your name. This helps the recruiter immediately understand what position you're applying for. Moving further, your contact information should be professional and easy to spot. Use a clean email ID and a clickable LinkedIn URL. This makes it easy for the recruiter to reach out and verify your profile. Moving further, your profile summary is like the elevator pitch of your resume. Keep it short, 3 to 4 lines. Mention your years of experience, top skills, and why someone should hire you. This is your chance to hook the recruiter and make them want to read further. Now, talking about your professional experience section, list your work experience in reverse chronological order. Start with your most recent role and move backward. Recruiters want to see your latest and most relevant experience first. Most importantly, add metrics to show impact. Numbers prove your impact and make your achievements more credible. Talking about your skills section, add soft and technical skills. Your skills section should not be generic. Mention a mix of soft skills like communication and leadership and technical skills like data analysis, SEO tools, or CMS platform, depending upon the role you're applying for. Tailor it based on the job description. Last but not the least, add recent certifications and trainings. Certifications show that you're proactive about learning. It adds a layer of credibility to your skill set. Fix these areas in your resume and you will dramatically increase your chances of getting interview calls. The second tip that you should keep in mind if you don't have any referrals is focusing on networking. Focus on networking without being pushy. If you don't have any existing connections at your dream company, that's okay. You can build them. Use LinkedIn strategically to connect with employees from the company you are targeting. Don't start by asking for referral directly. Instead, send a thoughtful and a genuine message. Here is a sample message template that you can send to a recruiter. Please take a screenshot of this. I have posted a detailed video on networking tips. Make sure you watch that video as well. It will help you a lot. I will leave the link of that video in the description box below and you can have a look at it. Even if you don't get a referral, being visible to recruiters and employees gives you a massive edge. Tip number 3. Apply strategically. Quality over quantity matters a lot. Please stop mass applying to 100 jobs a day using the same resume. It doesn't work. Instead, apply to 15 to 20 well-matched roles per week with tailored resumes and cover letters. Customize each resume according to the job description and the role you are targeting. If you're applying for different roles like business analyst and digital marketing, create separate role-specific resumes. For freshers, highlight relevant academic projects, certifications, and internships that show your skills in action. Working professionals can focus on business outcomes, measurable impact, and leadership experience to stand out. Tip number 4, your interview preparation. Getting shortlisted is step 1. The next is converting that opportunity. Prepare for behavioral and case-based questions. Use the STAR method. Research company-specific questions. Moreover, these are my most important videos that you must watch if you're preparing for your interviews. I will leave the link of all these videos in the description box below and you can have a look at it. So here's the truth. Yes, referrals help. Yes, connections help. But neither is a golden ticket. What gives you the job is consistency, strategy, and preparation. I have worked with candidates who had 0 referrals and still landed offers at Google, PwC, Deloitte by following these exact steps. That's it for today's video. So whether you have referrals or not, your dream job is still within reach if you follow the right strategy. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. And don't forget to check the description. I have added all the important links of the videos that you must watch if you're struggling to land a job. And keep following your interview coach Diksha Arora to land your dream job and ace your interviews. Bye-bye, good luck, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.